Hello everyone, today I have a very useful tutorial for you guys. If you are on a network and you have a printer, you don't need to buy each printer for each machine. You can share that one printer for your entire network, and wherever anyone is sitting, the person can print in from over the network to the printer. I'm going to show you how you can configure this and set this. Then let's get started. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my TikTok account, follow, like, share, comment, and also support. So this let's get started. If you want to share your printer over a network, all you have to do is share your machine first. Now you go to control panel, then you go to network and sharing center. Once it opens, come to change advanced sharing settings, and this one will pop up. When this comes, you have a private, guest, or public and all network. Now on the private, turn on discover network discovery, turn on network discovery, and turn on file and printing sharing. Then come to the next one. Also turn on discovery, network discovery, and turn on file sharing. Then come to the all networks and also turn on sharing to anyone to access the internet. And also, if you want, you can turn off the password sharing. But if me, I don't want to enter any password, so I turn it off and I click on save. Once that you have saved, you've shared your network. Now you have to also share your network on the other PC that you want to connect it. So you follow the same method: control panel, Windows as internet, share network. You come here, then you turn on everything. Then you come to the last one also, you turn on file sharing. If you want to enable password, you turn on enable password. If you don't want to enable, just turn it off. Then click on save. Now, once you have finished all this, and then it's about time that we are going to share the printer. But make sure that you have installed your printer drivers and it is working properly before you can share it. Otherwise, you will have drivers issue over the network. Then if you have internet access, you can download it and install it. So once you have share your network, go back and open your control panel again. This time go to hardware and go to printers. Once you have the printer, you see my printer has been shown here under the printers. So I'll just right click and go to properties. So I'll just right click and go to printer properties. Now under the printer properties, you will see share button here, sharing. You just click on share and enable it, and make sure these two buttons are checked. Then you click on apply and OK. So once you have done, you have shared your network. The next thing to verify if your shared network or your shared computer or the printer is on your network. So to check that also, you have to open networks. Now you see two network has been shared. Now this is the PC I shared the printer on. So let me open it for you to see. You see my printer is here. My printer has been shared. So which means that any person on this network can also print to this printer. Very simple and very, very useful. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Even if you don't like, just dislike. It's very, very important for me. Also follow me on TikTok, simple tutorials. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this one useful. Thank you very, very, very much. See you next time. Different video. Bye.